Space, the final frontier. A sea of infinite possibilities and unimaginable emptiness. Few have ventured beyond our world. This time, one man will think big.
Full speed ahead, gentlemen. Speed tells us how fast we're going.
He will stop at nothing to find another world and ask it one simple question.
Won't you be my neighbor? I want each and every one of you to remember that you are a very special person. It's who you are on the inside that makes you different from everyone else. Whether you're a boy, a girl, a Minbari, a Wookiee, a Zerg, or even one of those parasites that burst out of people's chests, each and every one of you is special.
What about clone troopers? They're all the same.
Well, I suppose you have a point. Looks like we're gonna have to make an exception. Crew, trolley, it's time for us to take back the universe. Do you know what makes grenades explode? It's what people in my neighborhood like to call a chemical filler. Now, the best way to hurt people is to add jagged little pieces of metal called shrapnel. Now let's try putting some shrapnel into our grenade. Hasta la vista, baby. Not so fast, evil android version, Mr. Rogers. I would never do any of those terrible things. Well, that's because you weren't created in a lab deep below PBS Studios in response to the demand for more violence on television. I'm afraid there isn't room enough in this neighborhood for the two of us. I think the best way to resolve this is to use our feelings instead of our fists.
I'm afraid you violated your contract.
Look, boys and girls, it's our good friends, the censors.
Regardless of today's standards, no one on film is allowed to harm Mr. Rogers under any circumstances.
Come on, guys, it's all just part of the show. We're trying to make people laugh.
I'm afraid you'll have to be terminated.